Hey y'all, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use what's in this magic cup to restore your headlights from yellow and disgusting and cloudy to clear and beautiful and amazing. Let's get into it. So I've got Slurple here, my Miata. I've already done one of the headlights. I'm not sure if you can tell which one, because they weren't too bad to begin with, but I wanted to really make them pop. That's the worst part about an old car, is when the headlights are yellow and fogged and disgusting, but there is a way to bring them back, and there's lots of products out there that say they can bring it back, but this is the only one, a friend of mine showed me this, that actually works. It comes in this cool little thing here. It's got everything you need. But you got this cup that's got this magic liquid, and it's got all the sandpaper you need, to get these headlights looking good. Comes with instructions, got this little plug that actually heats this liquid up and atomizes it. I don't know what it's doing, it's magic, but don't drink this, not good to drink. So, all right, I'm gonna get right into it. First things first, always prep. Whew. Okay, got everything here. Got a bucket of water because you want to wet sand. So it starts you off with like the 180 grit, 280, 400, 500, blah, 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 all the way to 1200. Got some cool sandpaper here too from China. This is like Ariel's dad, King Triton sandpaper, P600 horse sandpaper, good stuff. I hope it's not made of horses. And then we got some Asia sandpaper, good stuff, high quality. So this is the part of the process where it's the point of no return. Putting sandpaper to your lens. This just gets all the yellowing off, all the crap that has just been on there for years. So it's gonna pull off that top layer of protection. So when you're through with all of this, the last thing you have to do is add more protection to it. So, but first, gotta get going with the sandpaper. Starting with the 180 speed. Here we go. Part one done. At this point, you're like, what the hell did I just do to my headlights? But it's gonna be hazy, dry it off between each one. And then you just keep it going. Trust me, it's worth it in the end. Down to the last step. So I don't know what this stuff is. It says you can't use it if you're a child or pregnant, so I'm sure it's not really good for you, but basically the idea is you put this in the cup, there's a little plug, you heat it up, it kind of makes a vapor, and then it literally will melt the plastic coating on this. And as you go, it's like magic. So at this point, if you're freaking out, you think you ruined it, you think this will never work, this is where the fun part is. It melts it, it kind of, I don't know, resurfaces it, and kind of the heat and the whatever melts it, it gets nice and clear and even, and then it looks amazing. She's starting to kind of, I don't know if you can see this. Can you see how the little ripples, maybe? It'll show it better there. There we go. See that? That's the magic. I don't know if you need to leave it plugged in. I do. I got a plug right here. But, woohoo! Do not breathe that in. Here we go. now we're good. So, 100%, this is the best way to restore your headlights, to get them looking basically like new. Like, I don't see any flaws in the sucker right now. So super easy to do. It just takes a little bit of time to prep, to sandpaper. I did maybe 2 or 3 minutes with each little pass of the sandpaper. This elixir, this magic liquid, whatever it is amazing. But you've stripped all the UV protection off. So the reason headlights get faded and yellow over time is because of UV stuff. So got to put some UV protection back on there. Got to coat them with some wax or even ceramic coat, anything like that, or whatever the PPF film if you want. But at this point, I'm just going to cover them with some ceramic coating I have left over, and that should keep them looking good for a long time. So yeah, that's it. Let's get her washed and see how they turn out when the whole car is clean.